Rung Lian Ceu se atu he pathum nak ani chu pathum nak ni chu ani he pakhat nak panhi nak pathum nak pali nak tiang lok son tu pathum nak ni chu tu he Rung Lian Ceu tu chu sung chang sna ten pathum nak ni chu tu he ama na ka pa ha ong mi pok pathum nak sala sung mi khapali nak sala pathum nak lak song he ting khat ase pali nak lok song he thong som street la thong nga se ama India tangkan Rung Lian Ceu no wicket day Rung Lian Ceu no wicket day Rung Lian Ceu he tutan nakapaya pai thiam bik lok song am pek chang pai thiam bik lok song he pai thiam bik lok song anga Rung Lian Ceu he changan e pai tu cha asung chang asna te in tu he apathum nak ane chu liu se simia asung mi panhi kha apathum nak ane chu liu se atai mi pok pathum nak sala e asung mi pok pali nak sala pakhat nak panhi nak pathum nak pali nak yang he lok song antu an ni chu churuanga pathum nak ni chu tu he Rung Lian Ceu ne wicket attack chang Rung Lian Ceu ne win hi nak attack than Rung Lian Ceu ne pathum nak lok song achau Rung Lian Ceu ne pathum nak lok song achau Rung Lian Ceu ne pathum nak achau pathum nak lok song long slowin pai chiam bik lak song jong tu tan an pek pai chiam bik lak song jong tu tan an pek
down to the final match to be played between two prominent wrestlers
so tu hi an tam tak tak se This is finals.
Yeah. There will be a photo session with all the top 4 wrestlers, including the tournament officials and also the dignitaries sitting on the dais.
This is
right after the completion of the final match.
For the finals.
Yeah, final.
Yeah. Tu he adok la big final se changlai ni kum champion pa la pathong tak tak ve mi se khat jong he pathong tak tak ve mi se
Down to the final match. The wrestler in red waistband, from Tenizu village under Pak district, 22 years old. The wrestler in blue
final se chang ni kum champion pa se asan mi he ni kum so champion nga chang me Venezuela se
under Kohima district.
final atai mi pau pakhat dak selai asung mi pau he panhi na ansla final se
20 years old.
lai mi hi an sung di chang Rung Lian Ceu ne pathum na anga apai thiam bik mi lak song la pathum na anga adang po chu lai mi sung di cha tu heu na sung bik final ne pai sang ni kum champion pa wicket dai Venezuela wicket sung
Decided by the referee.
Rung Lian Ceu chu sung chang pakhat nak panhi nak pathum nak yang lak song sa Rung Lian Ceu ne pathum nak lak song chau a thiam bik lak song le pathum nak lak song chau lai mi chu an sung di chang Rung Lian Ceu kha semi final tiang kai semi final la ni kum champion pa ni atai
Or 10,000 rupees richer.
ha raksher di nak si chang he raksher cheu
will be
kadunaw dang hang ha azau klau mi via te na azau khuna ka ding rak sir seo
Competition is going on for the top 4 wrestlers along with the dignitaries.
lai thang lai mi via te na sung kharak sir Ekavami production ne tha an sin lo ruanga kham thoka kan rak tha lo na rak se tha an kan kham ruanga tu chu an kan thai thiam chang lai te zum nak ngai adok nak se rak sir chio azok mi pau ne a sem pa he wikat asung chang a tai mi pau champion sla tong ni kum lai kwa a win hi nak la naka wrestling champion a how da swak lai ti mi cha atu Arok hana suak chang lai Ahau da atai lai Zau Di kum champion pa ma sung lai mo Ama ni dat champion at sau than lai Afiang lai Adok nak big ani pa isi chang tu he Dong na big champion how da chau lai ti mi chu arok hana fyang chang lai tu ta na Nagaland pai a hen lai mi mi ko he ho vi khat ve ni tai ni kum Nagaland champion pa ni khat tai ve chang we cut the veins kha an kam phiruanga chun kha kan rakha ko lo mi se zau nan hom lo chun rak zau dul hau
immediately just 1 or 2 minutes and for the first prize for the meter may I request Sister Zonao the technical secretary of the MWA
to champion passes
Raffle draw it will be for the meter the number is 2009 the winner please come up here the meter is for you the prison okay for the first consolation prize 5 consolation prizes may I request our former wrestling champion and all-time favorites of many wrestling lovers have a several The first consolation number is 310. 310. And for the next consolation prize, may I request another wrestler, one of my favorites, Kijani Likiretsu.
Oh no.
That's a very interesting number again. The next number for the second consolation prize for rupees 10,000. 1001. 1001. All of you, please come up here. For the third consolation prize, another wrestler, prominent wrestler, Sorame Soho.
Asok mi he
Third consolation prize, the number is 1239. And representing for the fourth consolation prize, representing
Nagaland pa ya apay mi he an rama at competitive kimi sim minung pangatelin minung somrok an se sim mi minung pangachu Rung Lian Ceu thong tling
consolation number is 327. 327.
Rung Lian Ceu le Thong Ting Chu pakhat man tai lawin an sung chon Phang Tin le Mang Hin Thang hi le Rung Lian Ceu hi arong hi nak yang an kai kho arong hi naka Phang Tin le Mang Hin Thang chan sung Rung Lian Ceu ti chu semi final tin akai pathum na lok song tiang chobe Rung Lian Ceu hi pathum na lok song lok selawin itana pai adu big mi pai achiam big mi timi lok song jong pek si ani pai than sang lai tu chu how that champion chuak lai ni kum champion Venezuela chuak lai how that chuak lai how that champion at so live we cup away ni tai chang ni kum champion pa song
The winner
ala sule sung chang
of this year's World Open Nagaland Wrestling Championship is also the reigning NWA tournament Major Center USA from Kohima Village and the Kohima District. The first runner-up, Dennis Odawa from Dennis Village and the Park District. May I also request both Beko Imedo and Rung Lian Ceu to come up here for the official photography. Put on your shovel. Once again for the Raffle group, the number which has got the between the piston is 2009. The consolation numbers are 310, 1001, 310, 310. The second
ni
is
kum
1,
champion pa ta sung ro mang ko he
the third is 1239, the fourth is 327, and the fifth is 192.
On behalf of NWA, we inform the spectators for your enthusiasm and high spirit in making this championship a success. And we congratulate the Nagaland Wrestling Association for the grand success of the championship. And first of all, we congratulate the champion of the 12th of the Nagaland Wrestling Championship, Mr. And we enable the officials involved in the grand success of the championship. Once again, we thank the spectators and the crowd and each one of you for the grand success of the championship. Thank you all.
I'll check. Right after the photo session, we will be having the prize distribution ceremony, for which I will hand over the mic back to Roberto Rubito, our champion for the day. Once again, all of you gathered here, if you are the lucky winner for the raffle draw, please come and collect your awards. For those of you who are the residents or citizens of Kohima, if you have won the Midtown Visa, it's free home delivery for you. It will reach your house, your home. But if you are away out of Kohima district, then you have to do something else to take the Midtown back to your home. 200.
Here is the announcement to the officials on the Sports station. An announcement to the officials on the Sports station. After the registration, there will be a meeting of the officials, all the officials who kindly requested to stay back. There will be a meeting of the officials right after the grand distribution ceremony. Therefore, all the officials are kindly requested. May I now request all the players to line up in front of the restaurant. May I now request all the players to line up in front of the restaurant for the prize distribution ceremony.